In this video I want to show you how to repair the power supply of my Samsung SCX-F printer. So you can see now, if I switch on the power, see, you can hear the response of the printer after switching on the power. The display is just blinking, but it is not showing any letters or any numbers. As the symptom is suggestive of some problem in the power supply, now I'll open the power supply. So before opening the power supply, don't forget to remove the cables, the data cable, and you must open the power cable too. So I already removed the back cover, and this is the power supply unit here. You can see there are two capacitors here. This green, you can see the top of one of them is popped up, so I need to change this capacitor. So this is a 10 volt and 1500 microfarad capacitor. I need to replace it with the same one. I have already opened the power supply. You can see the detail here. This is the replacement capacitor I bought today. So this is exactly the same capacity, 100 microfarad and 10 volts. So I'll replace the bad one with this new capacitor. This is the capacitor I have replaced. You can see it is damaged, and I already fixed the new capacitor. This one is the new. So let me connect it with the printer and see how does it work. Here we can see I have put the power supply back to the printer, and now let me start it and see how it is working. Oh, it is already disconnected, so I have to put the power supply back to its place. And I'll switch it on. Now see, it is absolutely fine.